Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jenny Saephan, and today we're going to be doing a review on the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism blush. I know it's a little late. I've had this for so long and never even touched it because I wanted to do it on camera with you guys. So that was how committed I was to be sharing this experience with you guys. So go ahead and hit subscribe, and if you're interested to see how these swatches are and how I created this look, just keep on watching. It's been a very long time since I've sat down and played with makeup and filmed and just chit chat in front of a camera. Maybe a little off. Also, I'm really tired. We moved this past weekend and it's just been rough. And I actually put these up myself, so if they're a little crooked, I'll work on it, okay? But today I wanted to talk about the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism blush. I don't have the packaging anymore. I don't know if I threw it away or if it got lost in moving, but look at just the detail of this. Like, you know, Manny put so much work into this. And you guys, I literally bought this the first day it launched, like when it launched, and I received it a couple of days later, but went out of town, and then it just kind of just sat there, and I got busy. Every day that I did my makeup, I wanted to touch this, but I was like, no, I want to do this on camera with you guys. Let's go ahead and do this. This is what it looks like. It's a little bumpy. You can see that it's a little lifted. This is just the back side, and of course I did buy the bundle, so I did purchase the gloss with this, and I bought the shade Moon, and I did use this, so I couldn't help it. But we'll talk about that after. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and talk about the palette. Honestly, I haven't even touched it, removed anything. The little slip is still on here, so I'm removing the slip now officially. The front, obviously, it has the mirror right here. So here are the 6 shades. Starting with the first row, this is Pink Moon. Can you see that? This is Twilight. I don't mean to flip you off. This is Twilight. And this is Spacey. Spacey is definitely like up my alley as far as blushes. It has more of that like mauve-y, and then Twilight is coral orange-ish, and then Pink Moon is definitely that pink. Reminds me of Barbie almost. Moving on to the second row, this is going to be Soleil. So it's right here. It's super pretty. It has a very nice sheen to it. It's like a pinkish orangey-ish shade. I mean, it looks like pink and orange on the pan. And this is Stargaze. This one's definitely like my kind of blush also. The last shade is Gravity. I like this one too. Like, if you're lighter in complexion, I feel like this would be a very good bronzer, but like a light bronzer, like a sheer bronzer. Now that all of these are swatched, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye makeup first, and then do the blushes after. Maybe I'll put like one side, I'm gonna put like Spacey, one side I can put like Stargaze, and maybe use Gravity as bronzer, even though I already added bronzer. We'll see, because you know that swatching is completely different than when you're applying it on the skin. For this look, I figured, hey, why the heck not, and just continue to use Manny's palette, or the Lunar Beauty's palette. I'm going to be using the Strawberry Dream palette. I actually did a look on this on my Instagram as well as my previous video, and so go ahead and check that out. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Sometimes I'll post a lot of my current day-to-day makeup, you know, just updates. Sometimes I'll ask questions like, what do you guys want to see in my videos? I already went ahead and primed my eyelids with concealer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this eye look. I actually saw this, like, Sephora posted like this pink eye look on their YouTube, and I was like, you know what, that sounds really fun to do. I'm gonna take a brush like this. It's like a dense brush like this. This is from Sunkissed. I'm gonna be going in with the shade Sunset right here. Might be a little too pink, but it's makeup. You can definitely wash it off. So I'm just packing on this shadow all over my lid. And I'm going to do the same to this side. I can already, like, I feel my voice feeling so deep. I'm sorry. I've just been tired lately. And this whole week I've just have no energy, and I've just been wanting to film. That in the back of my head I'm just like, I need to film. I want to film. Like, I want to sit down and chit chat and do my makeup and just put up content. I don't know if you guys noticed, it's been a year since I've like officially started my YouTube channel, and I'm kind of disappointed in myself. Obviously you get what you put in, and I haven't been able to put a lot of effort into my channel, and I definitely want to put more. Hopefully in the near future you'll be getting more videos. Hopefully. I would like to. That's the goal at least. Now I'm going to take the shade Skyline, this pinkish shade right here. I'm just going to buff this out and just kind of diffuse it a little bit and blending it up towards my brow bone. So I'm kind of concentrating in this outer area right here because I kind of want to make it into like a little cat eye effect, and since my eyelids are kind of small, so what's new with you guys? I'm kind of curious. What new makeup are you guys trying? I definitely have an eye on a few makeup that I want to film with though. Alright, so definitely just blending this out. Blend it, blend it, blend. Now I'm going to darken up the crease just a little. So I'm going to take this purplish color right here, just Storm Cloud, and I'm going to just deepen my outer V with it. I know I said I wanted to do a pink look, but I started to look to myself in the mirror and realized how crazy I look. Let me just clean this up a little bit and do the bottom part of my eye makeup. Just dusting this off. The only thing on this brush is like the Dragon Beauty yellow and pink shade. And we're just gonna take the shade Storm Cloud. I'm gonna throw on some lashes and I will be right back. You guys, I am so mad at myself. I was putting on my lashes and I was like, what the heck? Why didn't I do this on camera? Because I just want to talk to you guys about this liner again. If you guys haven't seen my previous video about the linerbond lash adhesive eyeliner, go watch it and then come back and watch this video. And go watch that video and then go purchase one for yourself. I was like doing my lashes and I was just like, man, I should just put this on camera. But then I was already done by the time I was going to turn on my camera, because that's how easy this is. Circling back to the Moon Prism blush, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this. You guys, honestly, I kind of want to take Gravity and use it as bronzer. It's definitely giving me more of like a glowier orangey bronze look. Like, hello, where did you come back from vacation? So that's so cute. So I'm going to be using the shade Spacey, so the shade right here. And put on this side of, wow, that is so pigmented, and look, just this, I barely even dabbed that, you guys saw that, right? That gave such a nice blush. I am so mad at myself for not using this for like a month. On the other side, I'm going to use Stargaze, so the shade in the right here in the middle. And we're going to do this other side. It's definitely cute, just not with this eye look. I feel like I look too Barbie-ish. I definitely like this side a little more for my everyday. This is kind of like, actually this goes really well with my eye look. Kind of look a little more monochromatic. I'm going to use this shade as a highlighter, guys. This is the one that's like the Soleil. Wow. That gives it such a nice glow. It's definitely like on me, it has like a hint of pink of a highlighter. Wow, I am so upset. Let's try this on my hands again. I forgot what it looks like. Yeah, so I don't know why, it almost looks like gold reflect. It has hints of pink, but on my cheeks, it definitely gives that pink glow, which I'm not mad about. I definitely love it. I legit put like 3 shades all over, no 4, all over my face. This one as a bronzer, these 2 as a blush, and then that one as a highlight. You can definitely, most definitely get a lot of use out of this blush palette, which I definitely love. So I definitely recommend getting this blush palette when it relaunches again, and definitely snag it, guys. I forgot to try on the lip gloss with you guys on camera, so I'm going to wipe this off and put this on. This is in the shade Moon, and it smells so good, and the doe foot applicator is like flexible, which I love, and that's what it looks like on camera. Yeah, super pretty. I love it. Definitely comes out a lot less pinkish. It's more clear on me. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on as is. I've also applied this with the liner. It smells so yummy. It reminds me of like caramel. Alright, guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do swatches and using the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism blush, and definitely using Lunar Beauty Moon Gloss. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give this a thumbs up and go ahead and comment down below what you would like to see next. Also comment down below if you've already purchased this blush palette when it first came out, or if you plan on purchasing it, or if you're just curious and you stumbled upon this video and now you definitely want to purchase it after seeing these swatches. As always, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.